We are born. We are born. We are born. All the noise, the pain, the tears, the sounds, all come together, and then silence, 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 silence. As if by magic all those things stop at once, until what seems like tick, tick, tick of the clock as the sounds progress through endless time. The sound of a scream, and another scream, and another scream, and another scream, and another scream, and yet another scream. Endless screams. The sounds are replaced by ambulances and police. Hysterical screaming, crying. The endless emotion is too hard not to hear. Announcing a birth. Announcing a death. 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 The journey is only just beginning. The journey is only just ending. The journey is only just ending. The journey is only just ending. Pleased to announce the birth, the death of tragically young, the pain of one day, the happiness of one day, mixed into one November day. I told him to stay, begged not to go. I was late, 4 days late. What would have been if I wasn't for days late? Shouldn't have gone, but went anyway. 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 Life and death. Life and death. Life and death. Life and death. Why go? Be safe. Why go? Be safe. Another cup of tea? Breathe. 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 You can do it. Hold on. You can do it. Hold on. Go to the light. Don't go to the light. Go to the light. Don't go to the light. Go to the light. Don't go to the light. People finding out. The congratulations. The sympathy. The congratulations. The sympathy. Congratulations. Thank you. I'm so sorry. Thank you. A house full of joy. A house full of sadness. One family. One day. I still see the day with perfect clarity. As far as I was aware, it was a day like any other day with perfect clarity. I still remember walking to my second class of the day, German. To get to the classroom, you had to walk by the front of the school. That's when I saw my mum walking ahead. My mum works at my old school. That's when I saw my mum walking ahead. I, of course, felt like something was wrong straight away. As soon as I saw her, I, of course, felt like something was wrong. Grandma had a reaction to something I saw hospital involved. As soon as I saw her, I felt nervous, but at the same time also reassured. As my mum seemed relaxed about the situation and not visibly upset. At the same time, so I went off to my lesson, thinking about my grandma, of course, but not worrying too much. My mum seemed so calm when I saw her. Thinking about my grandma, of course, but not worrying too much. Thinking about my grandma closer to go home, I had a sudden worrying feeling. As for me, seeing it open meant that everything was normal. Everything was okay. The sun was still shining at 3 p.m. It was still pale. Even if everything was normal, then the window would be open, as my mum would be at home already. As I walked over the crescent of the hill, I saw my bedroom. The window was shut. As a family, always have our windows open during the day. At that tiny moment, I knew something was wrong. The way I used to walk home from that point normally only takes about 2 minutes, but on this day it felt like I was never going to get home. I was praying, almost praying. When I finally did get home, I was greeted by my dad. As for me seeing it open meant normally this time of day, I could still be at work, and it would be my mum who would be in the kitchen, still shining at 3 p.m. My dad told me that my grandma was in intensive care. If everything she might not get better, if everything was my mum would be at home already. Perhaps I was in shock at that moment, and I didn't seem to react much at all. At that stage of the hill, I saw my bedroom. It was only when I got upstairs and I was getting ready to go to the hospital, but almost out of nowhere, that tiny moment, a single tear escaped my eye and started running down my cheek. We arrived at the hospital. I remember being taken to a room where I saw my family in tears, crying. When I finally did get home, I was greeted. My mum was a much different person now to how she was earlier in the day. He would still be at work. Being in the dark, cold, empty feeling room that was the family room. Talking to her, I was taken through to see my grandma. She might not get better. As I got the beeps of all the machines keeping people alive were pretty much the only sound I could hear. This time it was like a constant river. Then as I came around the corner, I got upstairs and I was getting ready. I saw my grandma, holding my grandma's hand that day, talking to her if she was going to sit up and cry. Perfect. As I got closer and closer, I remember the tears appearing once again. I shed that. This time it was like a constant river, rather than a little stream. Perfect clarity. Even through all the tears I shed that day, I still remember the day with perfect clarity.